Some cars just make everyday driving feel effortless, and this Toyota Auris Excel Hybrid is one of them. Powered by Toyota's reliable 1.8-litre petrol hybrid engine with a smooth automatic gearbox, it's designed to keep running costs low while making every journey quiet and comfortable. With just 59,742 warranted miles and a full service history, it's easy to see it's been well cared for. The Excel model also gives you plenty of premium features like satellite navigation, heated front seats, front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera, smart entry and dual-zone climate control. It's the kind of car that suits commuting, family life or anyone wanting an easy-to-drive automatic that's also ULEZ compliant. At IBO Motors, it comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, 3 months warranty that's extendable up to 2 years, and delivery can be arranged nationwide if needed. A practical hybrid that simply makes sense for everyday driving.